So we've got a cut isolator here. So we're replacing it with a Click Skullmore one. Shump. We picked one of these up from Electric Point online, from Stanek, the Duo cooker outlet. And so yeah, this is in the box. This is your cooker termination, so this is what we're going to use for the hob. Not this hob, we're going to replace that. And then we're going to plug in our 2.3 kilowatt oven into here. So we're wiring up the hob now. And it says 3 times 2.5 mil. So we've got our 2.5 mil heat resistant flex. We're going to get that bootlaced and put into here. And then we'll get it wired into our terminal down below. Jump, jump, jump. No.